Did you see anybody out here lighting this stuff on fire?
Yeah, I lit it on fire.
You lit it on fire. Why'd you light it? Something's on fire. Look at all that shit. That smoke. It's back behind the fire. Yeah.
That's a ton of people copy. Denham 43A, 1985 Red Forest Lane. Heard about 10 something.
103 copy, 1240.
100.
105.
Jesus Christ.
Next pickup.
There's a fire. There's somebody, looks like somebody's back there. 158.
Okay.
We got an active 25 behind Hiltonia Middle School on the trailer out the back. You can send fire this way.
Okay.
I got one fire extinguisher. Somebody lit a mattress on in the rear here, and it's got the porch on fire leading up to the trailer.
What's the cross street over there? Cross street.
Trapper crosses Lane and Leland.
Yeah, dude, it's I'm out. Step back in case this thing blows.
They just seriously, somebody just set the fucking mattress on fire.
Alright, safety is route.
And Chopper, if you see anybody in the area, this thing was just lit within the last 4 minutes or so. That's oddly specific timing.
Sounds like the wood just cracking.
We're going to be right under the train tracks in between Yale and Glenwood.
I didn't see anybody whenever I ran around back through there. Like, move.
I smelled it, and then I saw the fucking flame, the smoke. I was like, there's got to be something on fire.
Hopefully get here before it catches onto the building.
Yeah. We're full fucking on. I tried, dude. It's just this small ass fucking fire extinguisher. I should have started with the wood and not the fucking mattress.
I think you would have ran out anyways. You didn't have that much. And it's probably so hot already anyways.
Chopper went to the 5.7, not this.
So for you under the tracks or above them? Under the tracks. Okay, you got a few more units here with you now?
Do you think if they come on the east side of the building, that would be easier? Is there an entrance?
Hookup is. Yeah, probably east though. I'll let him know. You're right.
Do you think that'd be better? Is there an entrance over here?
No, but he's already done here. Brady, can you give me a couple more cross streets on that, where the fire is?
if it's easier to go around to the, I don't know if it's easier to go around to the east side of the building. If you go around to the east side of the building, you probably could be able to pull right up to it.
What's that?
The east side of the building, you'd have to go back out and around.
Nah, we'll get our small
Okay.
go back there.
Somebody lit a mattress on fire and it's caught the wood. I tried to get as much with a fire extinguisher as I could.
Grab the 250 bed, start dragging it back. Yeah, 200 bed, start dragging it back there.
You want me to move this out of the way, man? You want me to move this out of the way? You want me to get this thing out of the fucking way?
Nah, I can't lie.
Alright. Somebody just lit a mattress on fire and caught the whole ramp on fire. What's up? Yeah. I was driving around. I said, man, it smells like something's on fire. And then I turned and we saw the fucking smoke coming out of the back. So we pulled around back. But we got here probably less than 5 minutes after it was started.
Didn't see anybody.
No, that's what we're having him check. Do you think they thought I meant like the whole fucking trailer was engulfed? There's 3 trucks here.
Oh, maybe.
Where you coming from, man? Where you coming from? Huh? Did you see anybody out here lighting this stuff on fire? You lit it on fire. Why'd you light it on fire? Why is that? Keep your hands out of your pockets.
Hanging out.
Huh?
Hanging out.
Who's hanging out?
Yeah, I was out here hanging out.
Okay. All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
So you just walked up and lit it on fire. Okay. You mind if I search you?
Oh.
You don't mind? Okay.
I'm sorry, just sent you probably County Precinct. 10 minutes ago, go to your alley and
There's nothing on you that's gonna stick me, poke me, hurt me, is there?
No.
And through your own admission, you're stating. Well, I'm not gonna ask you more questions.
I was trying to get in there and get the TV from out of here.
Let's just walk. Will you air that? Really want to paint out of this.
I went to the school when I was young.
Do we need any more?
No.
Down here? No, sorry.
I ain't got anything. Just some light.
Walk down from out here to the field.
I saw you quiet.
No, we haven't. We were gonna call arson, and then He showed up. Are they already en
Ours, the
route?
guys are on it. They're trying to get hold of ours, the guys right now.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Is it Curvin Smith? 19 and 96. Have a seat right there, Curvin, okay? Watch your head, buddy. Watch your head. Perfect. There you go. Have a seat right here. Thank you, sir. Eat that for me.
1988,
He's a B and a half. And he's through his own statement, he said, "Yeah, I wanted the TV inside of there." It's a credit card with his name on it. I think if you tape the entrance.
It's 30 minutes before our investigator gets here.
Okay. Yeah, he walked up. He said, "Yeah, I lit it on fire." I said, "What?" He goes, I went to school a long time ago here. I wanted the TV out. All he has is a fucking lighter.
Homeless?
I think he's almost not all there. I actually know he's not all there. He said their investigator's 30 minutes out.
Yeah. So if you just hold him until he gets here, then no.
Yeah, we got him. It's like
That's good police work.
top-notch shit for us, boys.
It's a lot easier when they just walk to you.